Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see the dollar yen currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see the dollar yen is a long-term bullish market with this monthly impulse on dollar yen. Every month the price was creating series of higher high and higher low. Now with that monthly impulse, we saw the dollar yen has come to a very important monthly level of support, and from that support dollar yen is creating series of higher low along the zone every month. Very strong bullish price action followed by previous months. We saw the dollar yen has formed a bullish candle and closed above this important monthly resistance level. Now you see that this month's dollar yen again has formed a higher low. Currently the price is above this resistance level, and highly likely the dollar yen could continue to rise. As we see the market is above this resistance, we might see a strong movement on the higher time frame. Now if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well, dollar yen showing significant bullish price action every week. The price is creating series of higher low. Now the previous week we saw that dollar yen has formed a bullish candle that also has a higher low. With the previous weekly doji, the potential strong bullish momentum. Now this week so far we saw that dollar yen has broken this resistance level above this resistance, and highly likely that we might see an explosion to the upside. And in that move, what I think the dollar yen highly likely will break this resistance or even going up to test this liquidity zone. Now looking at daily, we can see that typical bullish price action on the daily as well. Previous day there is a doji, which is a middleman, also tested the previous daily's low, and we can see that there is a little bit of liquidity gap in that zone, which is a very strong bullish price action. As a result, today once the market opened, dollar yen started to move to the upside. Now with that movement, we see dollar yen approaching this resistance level. I think that the price initially you could see at least break of this daily resistance, or even we could see new higher high. So you still can expect dollar yen on the daily to continue to rise later today. Now if we look at the further lower time frame, on the intraday we see that the market is following a typical bullish market structure. If we look back here, we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder from this consolidation, which is in fact a strong liquidity gap, and reversal has broken to this resistance zone. And then we saw another bullish engulfer breakout from this structure, now following a typical bullish market structure. At this point we see the dollar yen is already has created a strong impulse. We'll be waiting for a retest of this previous resistance zone here as a support. On the retest, once we will see suitable entry opportunity along the zone on dollar yen, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to drop a comment below. That will help this idea. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.